My brother is taller than I, or my brother is taller than me. Me and my friends went to a party, or my friends and I went to a party. This is mine car, or this is my car. Confused? Hello everyone, our today's session is about difference in I, me, my, mine and myself. We also have a test for you at the end of the lesson. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's start. If I say, I'm going for a coffee, in this sentence, I is a subject pronoun, the person who does the action. If I say, the dog followed me, here, me is the object pronoun, means the person who receives the action in the sentence. Sometimes we also say, me and my friends went to a party. This is a wrong statement because here we are using me in place of subject. The right statement is, my friends and I went to a party. Looking at an Insta post, you mentioned, this is a picture of I and my mother. Well, this is a wrong statement because here I is used in the place of object. The right statement is, this is a picture of my mother and me. Our last example of I and me is, we all say, my brother is taller than me, he is smarter than me. Here, pronoun following than is serving as a subject. So, the correct usage is, my brother is taller than I, because it is elliptical way of saying my brother is taller than I am. Next we will discuss the difference in my and mine. This car is my. Here the usage of my is incorrect. The right usage is, this car is mine. The rule here is, my is used before a noun and mine is either used after a noun or it replaces noun. In the same way, if I say, this is mine book, then it will be an incorrect statement. The right statement is, this is my book. We can also say a sentence using my or mine, only the structure changes. For example, those are my glasses. Those glasses are mine. Both the statements are correct. Our last example is, Anil's phone is iPhone and my phone is OnePlus. I can rephrase it by saying, Anil's phone is iPhone and mine is OnePlus. Here we are using mine in the place of noun. Moving to our next concept, myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun, which means that it can be used when you are talking about yourself. For example, sometimes I talk to myself. I'm going to make myself a sandwich and get back to work. We also use myself to lay emphasis on something done by you. For example, I will contact her myself. I cooked the dinner myself. Moving next, if I say, I did the assignment myself, or I did the assignment all by myself. What is the difference in these two sentences? In one, I am using myself, and in the other, I am using by myself. The first implies that you were the one who did the assignment as opposed to someone else doing it. The second implies that you did the assignment without any help or company. If you have understood this session, so try solving these questions and leave your answers in the comment section. So this was all about our today's session. Do ask your doubts in the comment section. If you appreciate my efforts, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.